This is what you came here for. Oh yes. Here like that. Can't figure it out. You slide that. It seems a bit flimsy, but it works. For now anyway. Just slide it over. You can remove the remote. It's easier than that. Keep this out of the way. Slide it back. You can slide that right round the whole way, I think. I'll just slide. And this keeps it in place. The remote's falling out here, but it doesn't usually. You get that centre line there. That keeps it all in place. You can remove the button pretty easy. The button will be in the bottom side when you put it in. Hold button for 5 minutes to switch on. It's connected already. I paired it earlier. The pairing name is ELA6218OB. You need to lift that up to free the tripod. Doesn't matter where you put it after. It's this bit you slot into place. It bends all the way forwards for your selfies and that, but it doesn't bend very far backwards. So if you're filming from that way, you can't look down, but that's only for people like me that are filming close to the table and stuff. That'll be a issue. This is the best sort of connector I've tried. It's really soft, rubbery. Really slots in easy. Pretty strong. The remote does photos or video. Photo. Video. Recording. Battery comes with it. CR2032. Says it's 70 centimeters. Remember to put that button as a lower side. Move that out of the way. Twist that bit. This only locks in one way, right down that centre line there. I can move a bit, but you can only lock it like that in that centre line. 70 centimeters. One more. What am I doing wrong? I can go one more. An integrated shutter button built into the grip lets you control the stick with an extension of 0.7 meters. You'll easily be able to get all your friends and family into that group shot. "10 meters wireless range. Carry handle. Of course, most people will use it like that. You can go right round. It's this side that moves. So you can go right that way towards yourself, but away you can only go to about there. So it's not much good for what I'm doing here, doing close downs like that. Apple and Android. It looks to me the same as the Poundland one, although theirs isn't called Zenso. Zenso I associate with One Below shop. But it looks the same idea, so they've probably just copied each other, or one's copied the other. £3. I think that Poundland is £4. I'm not sure. Maybe it's better quality, I don't know. For the price, I give it a thumbs up. One Below, I think, is the son of the guy who founded Poundworld. Yeah, the guy that founded Poundworld, he sold it to some other group, and they sort of took it the wrong way and it folded. So I guess you can really think of One Below really as a Poundworld version 2, even though it's the son this time. Some people might remember that documentary around about 2015 about Poundworld. Well, it done good, you know. It was a Poundland alternative. With the remote, you don't need to use it with the stick at all, you know. You can just take that off you, because it'll work on its own. Pairing, it's paired. So you can just take the remote on its own if you want.